Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Motorola Moto E22 has a fingerprint sensor. And to do this, first let's open up the settings. Here find the security or biometrics tab. Now we can see that there's fingerprint and that confirms it. This device has a fingerprint, but we also want to check where it is, so let's find out. And it's located on the right side right here. Is the power button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.